What if the secret to moving with ease and freedom wasn't about intense workouts or expensive supplements, but something as simple as a daily ritual with an ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen? For people who have tried the gelatin trick, the results are nothing short of remarkable: waking up with less stiffness, enjoying activities without the nagging discomfort in their joints. My friend, who's an avid hiker, swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's been a game changer for her morning hikes, allowing her to tackle tougher trails without the usual aches and pains. Researchers say that gelatin can help promote joint comfort and mobility by supporting the health of connective tissue. And when you try the gelatin trick, you start to notice the difference for yourself. As you make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you might find that you're moving with a newfound sense of flexibility and ease. And that's exactly what the gelatin trick is all about, helping you achieve that freedom of movement. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in the description below. And for a deeper dive into the benefits, take a look at the pinned comment where we've shared some additional tips and resources to get you started with the gelatin trick. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you're taking the first step towards a more comfortable, mobile you.